want to turn things over now to Jessica. You just got the 5 o'clock update from the National Hurricane Center, and you just yelled across the studio and said it's a big one.
It's a big one. It's a big one indeed. And it's really not a surprise at this point. We're probably going to see these continuing updates with this potential tropical cyclone 9 as it expands, because it's going to be moving up into the very, very warm Gulf of Mexico. So still just a potential tropical cyclone for right now, but this is going to be moving. And notice all the colors in the Gulf. The water temperature in the Gulf is mid to upper 80s. That's a lot of power and a lot of potential energy as that goes into the open water. So that is going to move between the Yucatan and Cuba and then get out into the open water and make that turn towards areas of the Panhandle and the Big Bend area of Florida. So the latest update now has this at a Category 3 hurricane at landfall. That's likely not going to be until Thursday, but that's an upgrade in that expected intensity. And we could see that expected intensity continuing to upgrade as it gets out over the open water and more models really get a handle on what the expectation is. The general track of tracking towards the Gulf Coast is pretty set for right now. The bigger question is what happens after it makes a landfall. Right now that track takes it north and slightly northwest. However, the models with this have it kind of all over the place. Some of those take it kind of northwest and northeast. Some of them have it right over us. So that's going to be a big player in our weather heading into the weekend. So what we have this weekend really going to be dependent on Helene. If you're not ready to think of the weekend yet, just trying to get home this evening, this is going to be a headache for you. We've got a big accident on I-90 eastbound. That is right near Euclid. Traffic is backed up. We have had up to 3 lanes closed with this. So that's causing a lot of slowdowns and a lot of frustration. Keep that in mind if that is your normal way home. Conditions a little different than what we have had lately. Temperatures are cooler. We've got a lot of cloud cover, a lot of just nuisance rainfall, just some drizzle, brief showers. We're going to see that chance for showers on the increase as we get into the overnight. We've got another wave of those heading towards Ohio. Some additional activity off to the west, so we are not done with our rain potential just yet, which is good news because we still do really need the rain. We'll keep that cloud cover around through the evening. Overnight temperatures back into the 60s. That rain chance is going to be really increasing, at least a chance for some steadier, more organized rain will be increasing as we get past midnight. National Design Run hour by hour forecast. Again, after midnight, we'll see that chance for some steadier showers, some pockets of heavy rain possible with that as we go through the early morning hours on Tuesday. So if you're up early, you might want to have that rain gear ready to go. It's going to be another kind of damp start to the day. As we get into the afternoon, a chance we get some clearing in the clouds. If we get a little bit of sunshine, that's going to help boost our temperatures, and that could fuel any development we get through the afternoon. So that's something we're going to watch very closely. The idea is we're going to get that chance for some showers and thunderstorms to develop through the second half of the day. Where we see some sunshine, some warmer temperatures, a better chance for a few of those to potentially be on the strong to severe side. So that's something we're going to watch very closely for tomorrow afternoon. Damaging winds, heavy rain, certainly possibilities. Not a zero risk for any large hail potential or tornado risk, but again, it's going to depend on how things play out through the afternoon. So that's what we're going to watch very closely. Just keep that in the back of your mind as you make your plans for Tuesday afternoon. Rest of that Union Home Mortgage 7-day outlook. We are going to keep temperatures generally in the 70s. We'll see a chance for some lingering showers on Wednesday. We dry out Thursday and Friday, and then by the weekend, all eyes on what is left of Helene at that point. Jay?
Okay, Jess, thank you very much.